Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning, Gabby.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you too?
I'm doing good. Where are you heading to?
I'm going to DHIL, Crime Alert Security Network Company.
Is that a new company?
No, it is not. Don't tell me you have not heard of the company, especially their investment package.
Investment package?
Yes, dear. In the Torrid Heritage Investments Limited, you can let your money work for you.
They will just scam you. I'm very sure it's one of those scam companies.
No, DHIL is legit and they are registered under the Corporate Affairs Commission.
Really? Please tell me more.
At DHIL, the investment is based on units. A unit of investment is 75,000 naira. You have to pay 20,000 naira for the registration form. Your unit payment of 75,000 naira works for a year and 2 weeks, and you get your dividend of 22,500 naira after every 30 working days. Isn't that wonderful?
Wow, this is too good to be true.
Yes, they pay you 30% of what you have invested every 30 working days for 9 times.
This is really wonderful. Michelle, my friend, I will surely be part of this opportunity. Please, where is the company located?
No selling, no hawking in DHIL investment program. Invest today and get your dividend paid every 6 weeks. The more units you buy, the more dividends you receive.
You can call their customer care representatives only.
You can call these numbers to invest if you are outside Nigeria.